So I was looking at my old videos, the very first ones, and I thought, you know what? Those videos were just like trial and error kind of running videos to see how far this YouTube channel Learning Cebuano would go and see how it would fare. And I thought, you know what? I'll just do a little re-up of what those videos were. So it's like the alphabet that I wrote down here, and this time I wrote it down for some visual learners or in visuals that you can see, right? Anyway, let's get right into it. So we have 20 letters in the Cebuano alphabet, right? 20 ka letra. And remember that ka is that ligature for measure words. If you forgot, you can just check one of the videos that's already been up there, right? Five of them are vowels and 15 are consonants, right? Bukal ug konsonante. Right, let's get right into it. Right? Ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, o, pa, ra, sa, ta, u, wa, ya. On some of them, I repeated it like 3 times because I need you to listen and hear the sound that it makes. Some of them are really hard for other languages or other speakers of other languages to make or to imitate, I guess, or create or produce that sound. For example, like that ng ending is a nasal, the velar nasal and consonant. The ng letter is a velar nasal, so it's a nga, right? And then the R is your rolled R's. It's not a retroflex R. So you're not going to be using the same R that you use when you speak English or like American English or like some sort of rhotic language, like in the Beijing dialect of Mandarin Chinese, where they have the right? It's not a curled back tongue. We call that a retroflex R. All right, it is a rolled and trilled is the proper term. Trilled R. You have to roll it and trill your R. Right? So words like roundabout would be rotunda. You know, rotunda, not rotunda. Rotunda. You have to roll that R. Or tres, not tres. Right? Tres for the number 3. Right. So we call the letters letra. Right? Letra. And we call the vowels vocal, and we call the consonants consonante. We also assign the names of these consonants and letters and vowels. We assign them names. So this would be ang letra A. Letra A, letra ba, letra ka, letra da, right? The consonants have their own names. So letra ga. Ga is, you're going to always have if you're referring to a consonant, you're always going to have the consonant or the sound that it makes as a consonant plus a at the end. So it's a syllable. Ba, ka, da, ga, ha, la, ma, na, nga, pa, ra, sa. So you're gonna hear that, right? But the 5 vowels, they already have their own sounds. And so the sound that they make, a, e, o, u, they're going to have that sound as their letter name, right? So ang letra e, letra I, you know, what else can I say about this? But yeah, so go ahead, practice your phonology, practice, I guess, making those sounds if you're having a hard time. Some languages out there that have R's rolled, you probably have a leg up the game. So if you speak Spanish or Swedish, and I think Japanese does it too. But yeah, like languages that have their R's trilled and rolled, then you've got a leg up. Other than that, the phonology and the spelling is really easy. It's really simple, right? I don't know what else to say, so I'm gonna end this video.